Hello guys, welcome back. So here we are to go to the canva. When the canva is open, you can see many templates ranging from flyers, logos, Instagram posts, posters, different kind of thing. So but I'm not using any of the templates, so I will go to the plus sign so that I can be able to customize my own size. So I go to custom size, then I will change the PS to inches, then I will now input the measurement I want. So I want to use 8.5, so I'll type 8.5 by 11. So that is the measurement I am using. So you use this to take your own measurement. So I will click create new design, so it will bring out the page for me. So whatever thing I want to do, I will do it here now, and from now on I'm going to use this page to teach you all that I need to teach you. So we move on to the next topic, so stay tuned.